Want to explore the world with Garmin Vivoactive 6 maps? Open the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Tap on the More icon for training and planning. Select Courses, and then Create Course to begin. Choose a course type, like running or hiking. Pick your drawing method. I suggest automatic. Now, customize distance and direction to your preference. Select a starting point on the map. A park is ideal. Then, tap Save once your course is complete. Send the course to your watch by tapping the watch icon and selecting your device. Now, open the apps list using the upper button on your watch. Select an activity that matches, like hiking. Scroll down and choose Navigation, and then Courses to proceed. Select the loaded course and do the course after GPS syncs. Subscribe for more useful tips.